Hey everyone, my name is David Dunbar, or the Theme Park Evangelist. Just to catch you guys up, we are here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We were at Blizzard Beach all afternoon long. I was spending one final day with my mom's friends from Canada. The vlog that I did back on Thursday called Matchmaking Game with the girl that said she was from Toronto. Well, according to the actors, that's how they pronounced it anyway. So they had to go back home tonight. Well, at least their daughter did, and they're going to go on, the parents are going to go on an extended vacation tomorrow. I don't think TJ has been back here in who knows how long.
Sent the cat food.
And you can tell that there's been a lot of change, can't you, right?
Yeah.
I mean, look what they did to Woody. I mean, they gave that rope that wasn't there before. And then, of course, they did some modifications up here. I mean, I've obviously been here once or twice since cast preview, but TJ has not. So I really want him to come back and see this again. It's the last time he came here. He can even vlog or take pictures, so he's going to enjoy it. No, he will. All right, trying to avoid other people taking pictures. So this is actually my second try at this vlog, and the reason why, I got a random phone call just now. I had texted the number back letting that person know, hey, I'm vlogging right now. And speaking of vlogging, I'm going to be going back to home vlogs tomorrow because I'll have the house more to myself as of tomorrow. So you can guarantee there will be more at-home vlogs starting tomorrow for quite some time. I got a fast pass for Toy Story Mania at 8:10. TJ managed to secure a last-minute fast pass for Alien Swirling Saucers around the same exact time. I think his is at 8:10, mine's at 8:15. Of course, Slinky Dog Dash is like at a 65-minute wait the last time I checked it.
If Slinky Dog is too long, want to just do standby for this one?
For which one? Oh, I already got a fast pass. Oh, actually the Swirling Saucer standby wait time is not that bad right now. It's like 35 minutes the last time I checked. We were just over by the Chinese theater a little while ago. They had a bunch of stuff in the window to promote the upcoming Mary Poppins Returns in December. So they got all the original Mary Poppins props, stuff like that in the window. It's kind of cool. Isn't that crazy? I mean, you're still a good distance away from it. So, but it's still crazy. I bet if I got a long pole, I could. I know they don't like people hanging out in those ride areas because because of ride motion protection. Don't want to accidentally get whacked by some coaster. Slinky Dog's at 75-minute wait. What is this? Oh. Wow, so one up by 5 minutes. So I noticed that Justin Scard came here, I think yesterday, and he brought his wife, Allie Warren, and he even brought his son. I didn't even know he had a son. I was like, really? Tim has been here who knows how many times. I'm still waiting to meet Paige and Mr. Morrow. Paige and Mr. Morrow, if you ever watch my YouTube channel, you know how excited I am to meet you. And hopefully you'll get the chance to meet me at my new attraction test track, which I know you replied to my comment. I'm sorry I haven't got back to you yet. So, yeah, he's a new guy I just started getting into about a year or two ago. Really nice guy. I really like him. He's excited. I think he's more excited to meet me than I am to meet him, which is hilarious because I thought I was more excited to meet him.
A good view of stuff.
Yeah, you can actually see more of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge now. They have come a long ways. They even got a spaceship forming, and trust me, this is not even half of what is coming to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I mean, you can tell it's going to be huge. I mean, check out the construction. Have you noticed that it's almost on top of the fence now? I don't think it was ever that close before, was it?
No.
Yeah, I mean, they've come a long ways. Like, look at that dome thing. Isn't that supposed to be like the Millennium Falcon or something? I mean, this is awesome. So I'm gonna have to name this vlog Toy Story Land at Night / Star Wars Galaxy's Edge construction update, because there is a huge improvement. And it's funny that they still have all this open. And just as Scarred, you're right. They do need to have more shade over here. I'm really hoping that's something they fixed over there. He pointed that out in his most recent vlog. So we'll have to see what happens. I almost forgot you could even see the Slicky Dog Dash from here. But then again, I don't normally come over this way. And it's much nicer right now. Now that the sun's gone down for the night, it's like, gotta be in the high 70s right now. It almost looks like they're using a trackless floor system. This is a whip ride, according to Tim. So it basically kind of whips you around in this circle. The actual car itself does not whip around as much as your Alien thingamajigger. They have an identical ride to this in California. It's like a Cars ride, Mater theme, something like that. I can't remember. It's been a while since I've seen a YouTube video or vlog of Cars Land over in California. I'm really hoping next summer that I get to see it. As of right now, that's the rumor, and I know I'm still going on that cruise next year, so I'm really excited. TJ possibly might get a free cruise from Universal if he stays with them, but I don't think he is, because he just got a transfer approval to go over to Epcot Future World East West Attractions. He will be on Test Track like I am, because he's new to attractions. I've been with Test Track only a few days now, but I've been with attractions for about 8 months. Alright, so we decided to watch the ride in motion, because I want to see how bad it actually is. That's kind of cool. They got really cool theme music in the background. It depends. I mean, at points it does whip around quite a bit, but otherwise it's not terrible like I thought it would be. I haven't actually gotten this up close yet to watch it. They definitely have multiple swirling saucers, which is awesome. This ride does take on a lot more people at a time than the Slicky Dog Dash. If you guys didn't notice, they got, what is that song? Friend of Me, playing as a musical background, something like that. It's the instrumental version of Friend of Me, so that's kind of cool. I thought that was a security cameras at first. I'm like, wait, no, those are party lights. That's awesome. And that's pretty much it. So that's not terrible. I'll have to ride it sometime. So you can tell that it's starting to get dark because the lights are starting to come on now. Wait until this place is like super dark, and then you'll know. My mom's friends even got a chance to come over to Toy Story Land back Thursday night and see the land pitch black and ride it, the Slicky Dog Dash at night. That had to be a really cool experience. I guess the go signs light up one at a time at night. So maybe one day when it's not so busy, I'll come back and check it. I mean, it's already August 5th. September is around the corner. Me and TJ are going to come here a lot more once fall hits, because pretty much everything will be walk on. Park will be dead. It'll be nice. Oh, best part, it'll be cooler. So TJ asked if I would be willing to pass him my phone so that he can vlog the ride. He probably will not talk, so the next time you see the camera, or see someone on camera, or see anything on camera, it will probably be him, because I got a fast pass for the wrong attraction, unfortunately. I wasn't able to get one on time. Anyway, so I'll probably hang out here, more than likely hang out here and wait for him to get off. And then we'll see what happens from there. Turn the camera on, I'm gonna ask him everything about the ride now that he got to do it, and you got a POV of it too. So here we go. So I have to know, how was it?
The less weight you have in the vehicle, the more it spins.
Are you serious?
The more weight in it, I think it probably don't spin that much.
Probably not. Did you notice that it kept moving you from circle to circle? I kind of pointed that out earlier. Yeah, I didn't know there's like 3 circles. I was like, what is this, you know? Because like 1 minute he's over here. Like he started out over here, and then he ends up over there, all the way down there, comes all the way back, I think.
Yeah.
And then he ends up all the way down there. I was like, wow, really? Is it better than Slinky Dog Dasher? No.
Slinky Dog is the best one so far.
Yeah, Slinky Dog Dash is still the best Toy Story Land ride. And it is getting darker, which is good because now you'll be able to see the Christmas lights light up even better. And the Slinky Dog Dash will look even cooler. And I did find out that next Friday I am off because my assessment is still like a little over a week away, which is basically the day that a trainer or somebody along those lines observes how you operate the traction, and if you pass, then you're able to operate the traction without anyone's help from that point on. There's also a possibility I might be able to squeeze in a few more days of training, but I mean, we'll see. Because I am going from easier environment to a much more complicated, though I like what I'm doing a lot better, for certain. So since I'm off next Friday, we're going to do another Universal vlog, show you guys what's going on. I'm probably going to ask for the Saturday off, that way I could stay late and watch the Universal Cinematic Spectacular. TJ's heading over to Slinky Dog Dash to see what the wait time is. In just a second, I'll show you guys the lights coming on the track. Find a new spot to watch the launch. I'm standing over here right now. The lights are so pretty. They're all bright at the moment. That is so cool. Here it comes. is so pretty right now. I love these lights.
I hope they go down while we are in Toy Story.
Down as in like the wait time goes down, not the ride, obviously.
You know what I mean.
I wasn't telling you, I was telling the camera. Oh look, there's the Slicky Dog hats. I was wondering where they were. Ha 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 ha. They are very expensive too. If we can find a price, that'd be nice. I don't think there is a price. Oh, it must be free then.
I wonder how much of a discount we get.
35% off.
Just wait until Christmas time.
Exactly. Look, even more merchandise over here. What is with the mirror? Oh yeah, those things are weird. The eyeballs move around.
Now light up.
Oh, they light up? Oh. Oh, cool. Oh, there's a mini Alien Swirling Saucers car. And it is, $9.99. Not that you can see that very well because my camera decided to blur out there for a second. And that, I don't know how much that is, but I've heard these are really, really cool. And we got these, I don't remember these before. Oh, that's kind of cool. They got a bubble blower. Wow. And there is no price, must be free then.
Whoever brown.
I don't know what brown means. So I don't sure what this is. Big bucket of little green men for 30 bucks, right? No, almost 20 bucks. Okay, not my bad.
Talking Buzz.
A talking Buzz. My phone's not liking the darkness. It is getting darker out there. Not that you can hear that, but he's saying I'm Buzz Lightyear because the Slicky Dog Dash was passing by, and that is 33 bucks. And we're now moving on towards Toy Story Mania. The lights are definitely getting brighter, and even the Pixar ball is lighting up. That's kind of cool. This is definitely one of my longer Toy Story Land vlogs. I'm usually keeping it between 10 to 15 minutes, but oh yeah, that's right. I haven't actually showed everybody the menu for Woody's Lunchbox. So we're just looking at the menu for Woody's Lunchbox, and that looks really good. The barbecue brisket melt for 13 bucks. Oh yeah, that's right. They have grilled cheese. Whatever Tachos is. Smoked turkey sandwich, I heard that's really good. And they actually sell Baby Bell because Baby Bell sponsors this restaurant. Lunchbox tart. I actually heard from Tim that is really, really, really good.
And here's the kid menu.
Yeah, that's a K's menu all over. So we're flipped it over, and here's all the beverages that they're selling. Oh, that's cool. They got a root beer float, Joffrey's. I love how they call alcoholic beverages grown-up drinks because it's supposed to be a kid's land. That's kind of cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know how I managed to do it, but I managed to balance my phone and his phone at the same time while I was taking his picture in front of the Pixar ball. That was kind of cool. All pictures, of course, go on the Theme Park Evangelist Facebook page. So for those of you wondering where all my pictures are going, that's where they're going, because I don't have fancy video editing software anymore like I used to. And I don't have a video camera per se at the moment. And I still haven't got my butt around to calling that number from the company that made my last phone. Oh yes, Woody and Jesse are out here right now doing a meet and greet, and there's like no wait right now at all. It's just kind of cool.
You don't.
Oh, how did we walk right past that? Oh my goodness. Yeah, it just shows I'm a very oblivious person. I was thinking, oh, I can just walk right up. And they would have been like, back of the line, sir. Oh, the lights are coming on even more and ever. It is so pretty out here. And wow, look at that wait time. Yeah, they're usually really nice about it. I kind of figured he was going to get through. I didn't try it Swirling Saucers because I don't really know if I want to ride it right now or not. I'm going to give myself a few more months and then decide. It shouldn't be too much of a wait for Fast Pass even, because if the standby wait time is like 35 minutes, then it should not even be that bad. I got like 2 text messages. I got to read them still. But I'm still vlogging. We'll be ending my vlog very soon now. It's already almost 8:30. Good grief. So the last time I came here, which was on Thursday, it was me, my mom, and her friends. And I whooped every single one of them with 147,900 points or something like that. So close to 150,000. And they sprayed me with a water ball. I don't know if I told you the story. They were like, bad, David. Spray, spray. I was dying. That was great. I don't know if TJ is better than me or if I'm better than him. I'll show you our score at the end.